Today, we're showing you how to integrate MailChimp with Academy LMS to automate your email campaigns. First, navigate to the WordPress dashboard settings, and anyone can register from membership with the checkbox. Now, open the Academy LMS add-in section and enable MailChimp. Next, go to Academy LMS settings. Locate MailChimp from Advanced, enable Forced Subscriptions. Now you need the MailChimp API key. Log into MailChimp, go to Account and Billing under your profile. Find API keys from the Extras option. Click on Create a Key, set a name, generate a new key, copy it, and keep it secure. Paste API key here in the API box and save the settings. You can also set a subscriber consent message. Now add a trigger. 3 triggers are available: student registration, instructor registration, and course enrollment. Select the student trigger. Set a list, group, and interest. Save the settings and it will be live. You can also collect instructor lead in the same way. Now, if any user registers as a student, they will be found in your MailChimp account. And that's it! You've successfully integrated MailChimp with Academy LMS. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.